Alright.
Where are we?
Tony Dynamite, Loki Havik. Firstly, thank you for coming to my office.
Your office?
Yeah.
We're outside, Jason.
There's people there.
Listen, it doesn't matter. How did you get on the desk?
Don't ask questions you don't want to answer.
Okay, listen. I'm gonna talk to you like a cool teacher with this chair between my legs like this. We are Team Confused Moth Noises. And if we're gonna do this, and we're gonna do this right, we need to start picking up victories. If not together, then separately. I gave you 2 chances to get a victory today here at Emerge. And this would have been an ironclad, you like that, didn't you? An ironclad guarantee that you guys would have been a permanent fixture here. Now the tag team division is dwindling. Because guys are just, they're popping in, they're popping out. We got friggin' custom made to worry about, that son of a Morty. But Confused Moth Noises can rise to the top, but I need you guys to focus on getting that W. Instead of you worried about getting that other letter.
I almost had Eves. I almost had him.
You didn't almost have nothing.
I almost had him.
You almost had to go to the
I
dentist.
watched that.
And you did have Eves, and I really hope that he had some mouthwash. Dude, get yourself
These are
together.
mine.
Guys, Confused Moth Noises should be rising to the top, not falling down to the bottom.
Right
Let's
here.
get together, okay?
Not down here.
Put them in. All right, 1, 2, 3. Moth Noises.
Moth Noises.
This is a nightmare.
Oh, God.